Hello and welcome to Plus Bach. Today I'm going to be talking about tulip flowers and how you can eat the petals. But why would you? Tulip flowers are beautiful. You don't want to cut them up and put them in your salad. Lettuce is pretty cheap from the supermarket. But what if I told you there was a way to have the best of both worlds? Let's start with the fact that tulip petals are actually really tasty. There's a lot of stuff out there about eating flowers, and some of them are great. Nasturtiums in particular have a really fiery taste. And calendula, while they don't have much of a taste, they look so pretty sprinkled on top of a salad. Other flowers are a bit meh, but you know, again, they add colour to salads, which is nice. But tulip petals, they're like a really crisp lettuce leaf with a peppery, sweet taste to them. Really worth eating. I'll prove it to you now. Let's take this one here. No, just kidding. Oh, it's lovely. Really nice. Quite happily, I could munch on this all day. There is one important thing to note, and that is that some people can have an allergic reaction to tulips. So have a tiny bit, see how you get on, and if you are having any problems at all, seek medical advice straight away. So how can you have beautiful blooms and tasty salads? Let me tell you. It's quite simple, really. All you want to do is wait till the flowers are starting to die. It's as simple as that. The petals remain crisp, even to the point when they fall off and are on the floor. You need to get them pretty soon though, because the slugs are quite partial to them and they will munch away on them, and you don't want to be eating those. What I do is when they start to fall off, I just pick them at that stage. There we go. And I will go through the rest of the flowers and pick off the ones that are starting to go. I think this one's only got a day left on it, so I think this one's for the pot. And yeah, let's go and make a salad. One thing I forgot to mention is that different tulip flowers have different tastes. So depending on the colour, they can be a bit more spicy or a bit sweeter. So it's worth experimenting and trying different ones. I've tried a really dark purple one once, and that was really delicious. And as I said, these white ones are great too. Okay, let's get started. Tulip petals work with whatever kind of salad you want to make, really. So I've got some lettuce here, some tomatoes and a couple of nuts. And I'm going to take the tulip petals, I've given them a quick rinse, and I'm going to just cut the ends off. I don't really like these yellow parts at the end. I don't know why, I'm just fussy. So I'm going to take them off the end. Now sometimes I split them in two as well, just to make them go a little bit further. Just add a dressing of your choice, and then that's it. Lunch is sorted. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye for now.